two slips having no. One is boys, one is girls. This baby selected boys. Boys slip game. Now we will start with boys. Okay? Come on. Good. Go and sit. Take your place. Now we will start the quiz.
First question boys same.
First question is going to boys. Okay? Be silent. Be silent. Fold your hands, all of you. What is the national animal of India? Boys, what is the national animal of India? Very good. Give me hands. Very good. Get up. Get up. Say, what is the national animal of India? Very good. Very good. Very good. Sit down. Boys. Got 1 point, madam. Boys, girls, you write down. Next, second question goes to girls. What is the National Board of India? What is the National Board of India, girls?
Lohita. Hey.
Listen carefully question. What is the National Bird? Very good. Give big hands. Boys, give big hands. Very good. Very good. Vanshika told. Very good. Vanshika answered. The National Bird of India, peacock. Very good. Very good. Next question goes to boys. What is the national flower of India? What is the national flower of India? Boys. You don't say. Only boys. Very good. Very good. Give big hands. Our national flower, lotus. National flower is lotus. Very good. Very good. Next question goes to girls. What is the national song of India? What is the national song of India?
Wrong.
Very good. Very good. Give big hands. Give big hands.
Panvita Sri answer given, madam.
Panvita Sri, get up. Very good. Give big hands to Panvita Sri. Panvita Sri answered very well. Give big hands to Panvita Sri. Don't you give? Claps, give. Very good. Fifth question is going to boys.
Boys.
What is the national anthem of India? What is the national anthem? National anthem. Very good. Good answer.
Manoj.
Good answer. Give me hands, girls.
Manoj given, madam answer.
Manoj answered. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. What is the national anthem? Very good. Very good. Sit down. Next. Sixth question goes to girls. What is the name of our country? What is the name of our country? Yes. Tell. Who? Say.
Lohita.
Group answer. Anybody?
Lohita.
Yes. Yes. Get up.
Lohita.
Lohita answered. Our country name is India. Which is our country? Yes, you answered very well, Lohita. Thank you. Give big hands to Lohita. Give big hands to Lohita. 7th question. Sit up. Goes to boys. Who is our chief minister? Who is our chief minister?
Nara.
Anybody?
No.
Chief minister. Not prime minister. Get up. What's your name? What's your name? What's your school name? Which class are you studying? What's your class teacher name? What's your principal madam name? Very good. What is your class teacher name? What's your father's name?
Same.
Daddy name? Very good. Why do you feel shyness? What is your mother's name? Very good. Very good. Your name? What? What's your name? Rishitej. Rishitej answered well. Give big hands to Rishitej. Give big hands. Come on. Give big hands. Very good. Rishitej.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Who is the Chief Minister?
Chief Minister name say na?
Very good. Nara. Our Chief Minister name is? Have you seen Nara Chandrababu Naidu? Where did you see? ఎక్కడ చూశారు చంద్రబాబు నాయుడుని? ఎక్కడ చూశారు? Where did you see? Meeting in phones, this assembly. Okay. Just today you go all are go to house and you ask your parents, show me Nara Chandrababu Naidu. You ask your parents, they will show. Okay. His photo you will see. Next question goes to girls. Who is our Prime Minister?
Harshita.
Harshita, get up. Harshita answered well. Give big hands to Harshita. Our Prime Minister name is? Very good, Harshita. You answered well. Give big hands to Harshita. Give big hands to Harshita.
Asma.
Who is our MLA?
Hey, girls not given answer.
This person general.
Okay.
Who is our MLA? All are say. Sri Urugondla. Have you seen our MLA? ఎంతమంది how many members saw MLA sir? Raise up your hands. ఎంతమంది చూసారు ఎమ్మెల్యే గారిని? Raise up your hands. Oh, చూద్దామా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి ఎమ్మెల్యే గారిని చూద్దామా?
Yes, me.
ఎమ్మెల్యే గారు ఉన్నప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ మేడం వాళ్ళు తీసుకెళ్ళి చూపిస్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే సిడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Say on na.
What is your school name? This question is individual. I will ask Veda, get up. Veda, get
Veda,
up.
get up, ma.
Why did you come, boys group? You sit there, ma.
Arhan, go.
Conference, get up. Who is our principal, madam?
Same. Same.
Very good. Sit down. You come, ma. You come.
Get up, ma.
Preeti, get up. Who is our principal?
Who is the principal, madam name?
Say principal. Very good. Give me again. See, our principal name is, don't say like that. Our principal madam name is Srimati Kameswari Madam Garu. Like that you want to say answer. Okay. Don't separate. Okay. Thank you, my dear little kids. You want? See, 4, 5, 6.
Madam.
3, 5, 1.
6 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
See, equal. Both are winners. Both are winners. Boys winners and girls also winners. Take self claps. Take self claps. Super. You are super, my dear little kids. Congratulations. You both are winners. Anyhow, you answered very well. Thank you for your class teachers also, Sapurna madam and
Nagalakshmi.
Nagalakshmi madam. Thank you madam. Thank you madam.
Madam.